Nerituko erimo rioka riaetire maega y'abasae b'ekegori agency gokora okorobekana wa sabasaba abarai b'Ekiama gya DCP besokirie na kugikiria abanyanyimbo ase ogotumia chinguru gwetani ekerengo ase abakorobekana ase boigo bamochirie egekore gya serikali kubabeka byara abarai b'Ekiama gya DCP egento batebire kirema mincha yerichiko
mulao la kulinda uhai wa watu na kulinda mali ya watu. Mambo ambayo yalifanyika Meru, mambo ambayo yamefanyika sehemu tofauti za nchi ni mambo ya kushtua zaidi. Na mpaka sasa hivi wamekimbia kushika mbunge wa Manyata, Mheshimiwa Mukunji, wanapanga kushika sijui Mheshimiwa mgani. Kwa sababu gani wasishike wale ambao walifanya kitendo na washike mpaka financiers ambao serikali inawajua? Kweni idara za serikali zinafanya kazi gani kama hawajui nani anafanya shughuli ambayo tuko nayo siku ya leo? Ya mwisho, rais hutasimamisha wajumbe kuzungumza kuhusu mambo ambayo yanafanyika Kenya. You will not silence us by either arresting or by doing anything that you want to do in this country. We will talk about the issues that are affecting the country day and night. If you like it.
Gukwana kurwa asomo baganyo yomo imeyo mucho Nairobi abaraya bo nigo batebire nigo baguche kuira omuswada ase bunge uyura chigukwanira okorobekana kwenegetigwe ritkurie igoro.
We as members of National Assembly and also as a political class, we are going to be taking action. One of the things that we will also be bringing to the National Assembly is to demand for an inquiry on what happened yesterday, because many believe that what happened yesterday was well orchestrated, well planned. In fact, the much money that has been appropriated for the security services is seen to probably be used in some of these activities on how this is being executed on the ground. We also want to understand how is the political class also being involved.
Abaraya bo bamochirie serikali ase ogwanchereria ebisa kubinde nabo igo guchaya ebinde ase batebire abasae mbare no bosibore bwo gokore okorobekana ase katiba na igo eserikali nige bwenerete kubategerera.
Isolate one particular region in this country in order for government to show that we do not have issues countrywide, and that only one particular community has a problem with government is a scheme that will not succeed. We know that Gen Zs have very genuine issues which the government has flatly refused to address. And we are telling the government our young people have a right to demonstrate. We know that the problems that we are facing in this country will not be solved by leaders sitting together. Is about the young people. We have to listen to the grievances of the young people and act on the same.
Nigo bakwaneire obosarie bwenegetigwe ritkurie igoro ase batebire serikali nero yakanete ebibago ebibyare gosaria enibo y'Abakenya.
Because I know those goons were transported in NYS bus in a place called Karagita. They were dropped there. In town, they were brought in trucks, in my Mahio. So all these people, nobody knew them. As I condole with the bereaved and also empathize with those properties who are distracted, I want to tell President Ruto, this is not a war you can win unless you want to destroy this country.
Arena yo ni goba mochirio murai bw'Ekiama gya ODM Raila Odinga ase ogoswa ase serikali na kurigereria ensege gwetera obokongu. Ngoripoteria Ensoko TV kurwa aso mucho Nairobi erietariane Linet Nyambane.